Dear student, I am your English teacher and today we are going to start a beautiful chapter. Chapter name is A Truly Beautiful Mind. Before starting this chapter, we will discuss some points, so I think it will easy for understanding to you that why this chapter is talking about and what is the main issue of this chapter. The first point is, who do you think of when you hear the word genius? Firstly, we listen the word genius, that what comes in our mind, what is the point, who are those person who comes in our mind when we think about the genius. Who do you think of when you hear the word genius? Who is a genius? Who is a genius? What qualities do you think a genius has? Okay, first point, who do you think of when you hear the word genius? Who is a genius? And what qualities do you think a genius has? Question mark. Next point, we shall now read about a young German civil servant. Now we are talking about this story. We shall now read about a young German civil servant who took the world by storm about 100 years ago. In the summer of 1905, the 26-year-old published in quick succession 4 groundbreaking papers about light, the motion of particles, the electrodynamics of moving bodies, and energy. His work took up only a few pages in the scientific journals. And energy. His work took up only a few pages in scientific journals, but changed forever our understanding of space, time, and the entire cosmos, and transformed the name Einstein into a synonyms for genius. We are talking about in this story about Einstein, how he looks and what qualities he had, synonyms for genius. So mostly genius it uses with Einstein. 50 years after his death, Albert Einstein's genius still reigns. Okay, now we are talking about Albert Einstein. Now we start. Albert Einstein was born on 14 March 1879 in the German city of Ulm, without any indication that he was destined for greatness. On the contrary, his mother thought Albert was a freak. To her, his head seemed much too large. His head was too much large. So his mother was thinking about Albert was a freak. Next, at the age of 2.5, Einstein still was not talking. He had some problems. So his age was 2.5. Einstein still was not talking. He does not speak properly in the age of 2.5. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. When he started speaking something, so he mostly used the word 2 times. When he finally did learn to speak, he uttered everything twice. Einstein did not know what to do. He did not know at that time that what should we do with other children. When Einstein was playing with children, so he was confused. What should I do? He was confused at what type of playing should we do. with other children. Einstein did not know what to do with other children, and his playmates called him Brother Boring. What other children calling to him boring brothers? Other children who were coming to play with Einstein, they say about Einstein, boring brother. So the youngsters played by himself. So other children, they were playing themselves. Okay, my dear, we shall continue this story on tomorrow. Till then, bye bye. Have an amazing day.